What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. So today I'm going to be showing you a couple household items that you can 3D print and just useful things to 3D print around your house or just common things that break. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Now today is going to be a shorter video, but at least I'm here, right? Enjoy. So number one today is going to be this right here. It is a hanger to hang up your pants, jeans, whatever you want. It fits inside your closet and it's got a hook on the bottom. So to start off, I go to a website called Thingiverse, and you can basically search anything here. So today I'm gonna search pants hanger and put it in here. You'll see there's one right there, a hook to hang up your pants. Then we can do is here, and there it is, download. Then you can throw it onto your 3D printer and print it. But I use this for like all sorts of stuff because there's like just millions and millions of designs on here. It's 3D printed. So number one today is going to be this right here. It is a hanger to hang up your pants, jeans. It fits inside your closet and it's got a hook on the bottom. And guess what? It's 3D printed. Next on the list here, we have a light switch cover. If you have just a plain light switch cover, it can be boring, right? So check out this one. This one, now I did have to actually design this one myself. I used just like a honeycomb pattern that I put on there. This was not actually on Thingiverse, but pretty easy to do. 3D printed it. It went pretty quick, and here it is. Check it out. So you can just unscrew your old one and put your 3D printed one on. It's pretty simple. This one was a little bit smaller than like a standard size, but for mine, it turned out to be fine. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit different, you can actually take some spray paint. You could spray paint it. This one I spray painted black, and it looked kind of nice or nicer on the baby blue background. Now, the only thing is the rest of my light switch is still white, including the screws. So if you don't like the white, then you're gonna have to paint all that too. Otherwise, it's pretty cool. Next on the list, have you ever had the problem of just having wires everywhere? Wires, so many wires, and you don't have a way to contain them? Well, here's what you can do. 3D print this cable holder. It's 3D printed. You can use it to clamp onto a bunch of cables that are all in like one area and just kind of hold them together. There's actually a screw hole on the back so you can mount it in place. Or if you're just traveling and you want to like contain your cell phone charger, boom, check it out. Another common thing you might have in your bedroom is a hook on the back of your door. Now, if you don't like how your hook looks, or you just don't like the color of it, the size, whatever, you can 3D print one. Check this out. I had a metal one on there, took it off, boom. Cool color, 3D printed. Doesn't look like boring and generic. So that's a bonus right there. Next on the list here, we have handles for cupboards, drawers, whatever. So if you have some that are just broken and come apart, boom, 3D printed. Now this one's not perfect because the base does not cover the part that's unpainted, but you can make it any design you want. You can make it a face of like a dinosaur if you wanted, or literally anything. It could be the handle. You can even make it a money symbol and make that so you grab onto that to open the cupboard. I mean, there's all sorts of designs. It's endless possibilities. I put a screw in the back, boom, it works. Is this one pretty? Doesn't really match the cupboard, maybe it's a little too small, but it works. Now, many places in your house probably have sharp edges, or even in your workshop or anywhere, sharp edges, and you don't want to bump into that, especially if you have like a cabinet that's kind of hanging off the ceiling and it kind of just sticks out. You don't want to run into that. So guess what? You can 3D print a round corner for it. Just like this little red thing, you're probably wondering, what is that? That's exactly what it is. You stick it, boom, onto a corner, and it's safer because it's round and it's not so sharp. All right, so that wraps it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I know it's a short video, and I'm trying to make some longer videos for you guys, but I'm just super busy with work right now. But you can also actually follow me on Instagram at KB_KingBuilds. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.